There's a lot of things that you can do in your life. I've always been an adrenaline junkie, I won't lie. But I decided that I wanted to serve my country in a way that was both fun and exciting, and gave me the ability to be there for my fellow soldiers, my fellow troops, which is why I picked aviation. So when I know that I'm giving back to somebody else, it's not about me, it's never about me, it's about, if not just the guy standing next to me, all the guys standing around me. And so it gives me a purpose to get up every morning to put the uniform on, whether that's 3 a.m. or 7 a.m. It's nice to be a needed asset, but it's also nice to know that you're contributing something extremely valuable to the fight. So I just hope to contribute my entire career and keep contributing as I move up the ranks. That's something valuable.
Aloha, I'm Major Brandy Taylor. I'm a pilot in the 204th Airlift Squadron in the Hawaii Air National Guard. Today, the all-women's flight was our third annual flight that we've done together. It was basically just a time for us all during the Women's History Month to just go out, have some good time training, doing some pattern work, and doing the levels through the islands.
50.
I'm a guardsman, so even more so, it brought the relationships of having active duty along with the guard. And so we came together as one. Basically, I think it shows that we can fly together and support the mission, and we're able to maintain our mission readiness, and we build those relationships together. It really wasn't that long ago that we weren't able or given the opportunity to do what we do. And for me, it's really special. I have a 7-year-old daughter, and for her to know that I get to go up and fly and be in this team environment, for me, it's really special that I get to show her that we can do anything we want to do.